I'm just gonna take Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Ipsy bag unbagging. This is for the month of April. Can you believe that it's April already? Like, what? That's crazy. We're already in the 4th month of the year. I feel like it was just New Year's. Like, is that just me? I don't know. But anyway, I thought we would get into this bag. There are a couple of things that I have already tried, which I will get into, but yeah, let's just see what Ipsy has in store for us for this month. The bag inside looks like this. It's super cute, super girly. It's got lots of little pink and purple butterflies on it, and the back is just like this lavender color. And then you have the little zipper that says Ipsy. Super cute. Love butterflies, so love the bag. And then inside we've got this little card. It says social butterfly, and it says, fact, life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And it's just saying, like, it wants you to you know, be your best self, have your best spring, and RSVP yes to everything that comes your way. That's what the card says. And it also says your makeup looks too good. Too good? Yeah. Anyway, so that's the little card that it comes with. First things first is this guy. This is the Pretty Woman nail polish, and this is one of the things that I have already tried because, well, I needed to do my nails and I didn't want them to look crappy on camera for you guys, which they still kind of do, but so this is what the nail polish looks like. It's in this shade. It doesn't say like a color name or anything. It does say 5 on the bottom, so I don't know if that's the color, but it's this pretty like lavender color, perfect for spring. And I did my nails and I have it on right now. Please excuse my cuticles, they're really bad, but these are the nails. And yeah, so that was one of the things that I tried. I did my nails a little while ago, and so far so good. I'll show you the brush. This is what the brush looks like. It's like a pretty standard brush. It's a little bit wider than I think maybe a standard one is, but there was nothing like good or bad about it. It was just pretty standard, and the color is nice, so I'll let you know how long it lasts. Then next up is this guy. This is from the brand Trifle Cosmetics, and it's the Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub. This is what it looks like, and I did try this out for you guys. I will insert the clip here, but kind of the same thing. I can't really tell like how great it was just from the one use, but I mean, my lips are a little less dry than before, I guess. I mean, they're still dry, but I think that's just me. But it's got like this greenish color to it, and it's 100% cruelty free, which is always nice. I've never heard of this brand before, but so far I like it, and it's got little bunnies on it, so I thought that was cute. Next up is this guy. This is by the brand Luna, and it is an eyeshadow. We have gotten a couple things from this brand in the past, and I think they were kind of hit or miss. Like, I remember not liking one of the highlighters, but then I liked one of the other eyeshadows or something. But so we'll just see how this goes. This is what the packaging looks like, and it looks like a really pretty color. It's like a pinkish rose gold type color. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that does look nice. Like, can you see that? It does look a little bit chalky, but we'll try it out on the eyes. I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour Light and Shade palette just because it has some great neutrals in it. And I'm going to take, let's go with this shade right here. It's like the light peachy shade. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid. Then I'm going to take this shade right here. It's kind of like a taupey light brown shade, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corners and drag it into the crease as well. Okay, now I'm going to go into the whitish shade, and I'm going to put that underneath my brow bones and yeah, and in my inner corners. And now for the star of the show, I'm going to go into this Luna shadow using this Luxie mini tapered brush, and I'm just going to put it all over the lid. Whoa, look at that fallout. Okay, so I put on some eyeliner and some mascara just to finish up the eyes. And yeah, I mean, the shadow's okay. There's nothing like special or like crazy about it. It's just kind of like a standard eyeshadow. It's pretty, but nothing like to go crazy over. I will give you a close-up of the eyes. But yeah, nothing out of this world, really. It was just kind of like a standard shadow. But let's just get on with the bag. We're almost at the end. So next is this guy. If I can get it out of the little plasticky. This is from the brand Bubble Tea, and it's a lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. It says fresh lemongrass and green tea infused with lively lemon zest and citrus elements to stimulate and invigorate. Infused with tea essential oils. Excuse me. And this is what it looks like. It says, this hydrating hand cream blends lemongrass, essential oils, shea butter, and goji berry extracts, helping to stimulate and uplift your day. Contains a tea-infused combination delivering nourishment to all skin types. Smooth the moisturizing cream over hands to keep them silky soft and delightfully scented. Paraben-free and SLS and SLES free. Whatever those are. I'm pretty sure they're not good for you. Let's try this baby out. Could always use a good hand lotion. So let's see how this one performs. It's just like a standard, oh, it's a bit liquidy hand lotion. Okay, it is a little bit more watery than like other hand lotions that I've used, but I kind of like that because it kind of absorbs into the skin a bit better. But yeah, I like it. I like using hand lotions, especially because my nails get really dry, my like cuticles. So I'll definitely be reaching for this. I would tell you how it smells, but I can't smell, so. Anyway, the final thing in the bag is this guy. This is from NYX, which is super exciting. I love the brand NYX, and it's a soft matte lip cream, and this one is in the shade Istanbul, and it looks a little bit more pink than I would normally go for, but we're gonna try it out anyway. If I could get it open. Yeah, that's like pretty pink, but let's just try it out. Alright, it's actually not horrible. I don't know how often I would wear this shade, but it's not terrible. And yeah, I mean, I kind of like it with like neutral makeup, like this kind. It's nice, it's comfortable. I have used these in the past and I like them. They do dry out after a couple hours, but I mean, that's standard with liquid lipsticks, especially from the drugstore for the price. Which I will have all of the details, all the prices and everything in the description below as usual. And yeah, so that was pretty much everything in my Ipsy bag this month. I'd say it was pretty standard. I liked the nail polish. I liked the lip cream. The eyeshadow was decent. The hand cream was fine. And the lip scrub seemed pretty good. Nothing like standout, but overall a decent bag. I will leave all the details like I mentioned in the description below, but I'll also leave how you can sign up for Ipsy if you're interested. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Let me know what videos you'd like to see from me in the future, any suggestions that you have that I can make my videos better. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.